Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you that creating a duotone color effect in Photoshop is quite easy. And with just few steps, you can transform your photos by adding a stylish duotone color look. This effect highlights part of your image in one color and the shadows in another. The results are eye-catching and artistic. So, let me walk you through how to add this popular grading technique to your own images. You will be surprised by how simple it is. First, open the photo you want to edit in Photoshop. Now, we need to pick which color channel has the best contrast. So, go to the Channels panel, which is located next to the Layer panel on the right side of the Photoshop. When you click on the Channel panel, you should see contrasts: red, green and blue. Look for the channel with the strongest difference between the highlights and shadows. This contrast will make the effect looks best. Once you choose the best channel, likely blue or green, hold down Command on the Mac or Control on PC and click on the channel's thumbnail. This loads it as a selection. You will see your photo surrounded by animated dash lines. We've just selected the bright areas. Next, add a solid color adjustment layer from the bottom of the layer panels. Since a selection is active, a layer mask is automatically added. This masks out the shadows, leaving us with a single tone image. So, use the color picker to pick your highlight color now. But we still need to add the shadow tone. So, make another solid color adjustment layer and pick a darker color. In the next step, you need to drag this dark layer below the first one. Now, the dark color appears in the shadows only. By stacking the two color adjustment layers, we have completed the duotone effect. However, the image often becomes too dark. To address this, finish by adding a brightness and contrast layer and later adjust the hue and saturation of the tones. The final duo-colored image catches the viewer eye with its vibrant pops of color. Yet it keeps an artistic, almost vintage look thanks to the two color tones. This stylish Photoshop trick takes minutes to create, but looks like you spent hours editing. So try out this duotone color grading with your own portraits, landscapes, or other photos. Changing channel selection and highlight and shadow colors lets you customize the effect every time. Once you get the hang of it, you can crack out these dynamic edits with ease.